Hello, hello friends, engineers, HVAC consultant engineers and architects. I am discussing in this module layout of heating, ventilation, air conditioning machine room. It is very crucial to design layout of HVAC machine room, of which I will discuss in detail in forthcoming slides. The HVAC machine room, friends, is otherwise known as central plant room, and it houses major air conditioning equipment like chillers, pumps, heat exchangers, and control panels. The proper layout ensures safe operation, maintenance, access, vent- ventilation, and vibration control. Friends, the system includes a cooling tower, chiller, heat storage tank, and boiler, and interconnected, all interconnected by a two pipe system that handles both heating and cooling. The air conditioning unit, uh, not shown in this diagram, not shown, not provided inside the HVAC machine room. It processes outdoor air which is then circulated through ventilation ducts and controlled by a VAV, that is variable air volume controller, to regulate airflow to the rooms. The fan coil units also a part of air conditioning system, but they are not normally in the machine room. Uh, they are provided within each room of five-star hotels and some other places alike, shown with intake and outflow opening, provide localized temperature control. Cooling and feed water pump ensure proper fluid circulation between the cooling coil, chiller and the heat storage tank, while the system is balanced through careful regulation by the FCU and VAV controllers. This setup ensures optimal energy efficiency and comfort by managing both heating and cooling needs across the building. Friends, the picture here provides a typical plant room layout for a central chilled water type air conditioning having two sets of chilling units. One is this and another is this. The off-white one shows condensing unit, this one, that supplies hot water to cooling tower through green pipes, these pipes. And the black one is chiller having, this is chiller, it is having, because it's dealing with very cold water, it is provided with a thick insulation layer, this black one, and it goes like this, and this pipeline, chill water pipeline are not seen here, they go like the other way. Now there are several points which need to be discussed. First is the chilling plant is normally 3 to 6 meter deep from here to here, and each plant is wide about 2.5 to 3 meter wide. This one unit is known as one chilling plant, and they are available in more than 100 ton or a ton and 100 to 500 in unit. Bigger units are also available, but they are normally not used in smaller projects. So this is one set of chilling unit. This is another set of chilling unit. And you can see a number of panels here. And in the front, uh, you can see the cooling system. This is a cooling system for the plant room, which is compulsory for the human being, the operators here. It provides cool air for them because they remain all the mm, 24 hours throughout the day. Uh, one thing is that is important is you need to provide a clear space here for cooling, for cleaning of the coils here inside, both chilled water and this one. So equal space is to be provided as the length of the chilling or condensing unit. Another factor that is important is you have a number of panels here. They need for uh, controlling electric supply to this one, and there may be a AHU control unit also. And third one is energy efficiency control panel. Here, this condensing unit, this chilling units are provided over a foundation, and the foundation is of floating type so that vibrations uh, not transferred to the building. Now the plant room may be uh, something like uh, minimum 20 meter wide, 20 meter size. Each set has Each chilling unit set has its own vibration RCC foundation 4 to 6 meter long and 1.5 to 2 meter deep. The ducting shown in left top side is for cool air ventilation of the plant. Friends, this picture shows the back end of the chilling unit. This is chilling unit and this is condensing part of it and this is a chilling part of it. Having a control panel here and the chilled and condenser water pipeline are shown here. This green is condenser water pipeline. These pipelines are going two in number to cooling tower. And this insulated pipeline chilled water system uh, is shown here, which is bright. Now you can imagine how much space at behind of the chilling unit is need to be provided so that these pipeline are properly accommodated. This particular one is chilling unit from carrier. Uh, you have to provide the cooling system for the plant room. Here it is on the operator side. Friends, this typical table shows the clearances that may be required to maintain inside the central plant room. The column, first column shows the name of equipment and second column shows minimum clearances to be provided. On the side of chiller, minimum clearance has to be 1.2 to 1.5 meter from the side wall. Pump foundation around the pump foundation or between two pumps, it has to be clearance has to be 1 meter. In front of the electrical and other panels, 1.2 meter safe working space. And between two chiller, the clearance should be minimum 1.5 meter so that the maintenance and operational personnel can safely move around. Tube pulling space for chiller uh, is often full tube lay. You have to put a rod inside the tube for cleaning the inner surface of the uh, chiller tube. That means in both the cases, chill water and condensing water. This has to be minimum one tube length in most of the cases. Friends, I will discuss uh, important design considerations first. The equipment replacement path, door width and height of the plant room should be such that the entire chilling unit can be taken in or out. The floor load capacity, soil bearing capacity of the floor has to be minimum 3 ton per square meter. The room has to be waterproofed so that because normally the plant room are in basement or even if they are on ground, there is every danger of water getting seeped in. You are supposed to provide oil collection pit if plant over 5,000 ton, 500 ton to 2,000 ton. Access for crane has to be provided overhead so that the maintenance, the unit is taken out or shifted here and there for maintenance purpose. This overhead crane is always required for dealing with such heavy equipments. And plant room should have adequate lighting system, minimum 300 to 500 lumens. Now I will discuss the ventilation and safety aspect of plant room. Most of the code provide mechanical ventilation rate from 6 to 10 ACH. Fresh air intake and exhaust fans are to be provided for proper ventilation. flow drain with proper slope. The because the plant room normally deals with the water supply, the drain has to be provided for taking the leaking water out. And similarly, this is true for terrace uh, if the plant is provided on the terrace. Fire extinguisher and hydrant point are to be taken care of. Emergency lighting has to be provided. Anti-vibration pad under each machine need to be provided, and this is true for chilled and condensing water pumping set, primary and secondary. Acoustic treatment if required. Friends, this is a AutoCAD generated drawing showing the plant room plan of a real project, that is Income Tax Office Ahmedabad, of which I was design engineer for MEP. Now you can clearly see the layout, the dimensions here. Uh, this particular plant room was having provided with chilling unit of 250 ton, three numbers. One in normal season, two number to be taken in circuit during peak HVAC demand, and one of these may be for spare for maintenance purpose. It has got this AC plant room has got the chilling unit, then it has got boiler room also taking care of heat load during winter. Then here at the bottom of this plan I have shown condenser water pump and chill water pump secondary here and primary here. Now condensing water pump are needed for taking hot water from the system during summer season to the cooling tower for cooling natural cooling purpose. We provide the primary um, chilled water pumps for feeding the water inside the chilling unit, and the secondary chill water pumping sets are needed for carrying water from the system to different air handling units, which are not shown here. This plant room will have control panel mounted, and those control panel may be here. So thanks for silent viewing of this presentation on air conditioning AC plant room layout. Thanks once again.